Welcome back, everyone. Did you know that many people spend more time planning their vacations than planning their estates? Right here, oh no. And no matter what your income, you need a plan in place for your family. Joining us today to talk about estate planning, we have attorney Matt Dana and paralegal Kendall Yates with the Dana Law Firm. And yes, we have to say the Dana Law Firm, a full disclosure here, that you are related to the infamous Kent Dana, right?
Yeah, I'd say Kent Dana is related to me, but either way.
Well, yeah. I'll have to get Kent on that. Yeah, that's so fun. Well, thank you so much for both of you being with us. This is a very important topic. And let's start off with, why is estate planning such a hot topic this year?
Well, Janine, estate planning is a hot topic because come January 1st, the Bush tax credits are going to be repealed. So that means the $5 million death exemption is going to roll back to a $1 million death exemption. The tax rate's going to go from 35% up to 55%. So this will cast a big, wide net for most Americans to have an estate tax issue.
And for me, that answer is a little bit different. My husband and I aren't at a stage of life where we have accumulated wealth. But several months ago, we had our first baby. And so for me, that's when estate planning became really important. I was in a car accident when I was 7 months pregnant. And it gives me such peace of mind to know that, heaven forbid, if something should happen to me or my husband, our baby will be taken care of, and that's when it became important to me.
That you know what's going to happen. And you know,
yeah.
Matt, I had a conversation with you, and I know both of you, we were talking about this. That's the big thing, is that you've had people say, big peace of mind.
Big peace of mind, you know. Take the fact that most Americans now, the baby boomers, the largest segment of society right now, the stock market's starting to take off. It's just a perfect storm for estate planning. And I don't know, well, why do people put that off? Janine, you said you put it off. I mean, what is it about Americans that they don't want to do that?
I know, he asked me, and I'm like, I'm going to have to come see you. I don't know when. Yeah, exactly. And we have to mention something else, too. Matt, the other thing, too, is that Kendall is not just your paralegal, too. She's also your daughter. Yeah. One thing about Dana Law Firm, you guys are a family business.
It's very unique. It wasn't planned this way, but all 5 of my children work at the Dana Law Firm. My oldest son's an attorney. My other son just graduated from law school. He's taken the bar exam. Kendall's my right-hand person and my head paralegal. She travels with me everywhere I go. My daughter Alicia does all the marketing and set up this program.
They're all
and another
there.
Daughter does billing. So fantastic.
You guys are wonderful. And I've been in your offices, and there's grandkids running around. You guys are right at home. Now, besides being a family business, how is your law firm different?
Well, I think, first of all, we're probably, if not the top largest estate planning law firm in Phoenix. We're within the number 3. So we have 9 attorneys, going on 11 attorneys. We have 11 Valley locations. So it's very convenient for people to come in to see us.
Very, very easy. And how can people learn more about estate planning? You have some seminars and some things coming up.
Well, we want to make it easy for people. First of all, they should go to our website at danafirm.com. That's easy. There's a list of our seminars that will be posted there. We have a couple coming up in Phoenix, one in Scottsdale, one in Mesa. And it's very easy to find out about it.
And that's so wonderful. And this is all free, right, Kendall?
Yes, it is. All the seminars are free. We offer a free initial consultation so people can come in, bring their estate planning documents.
And the other big thing we want to touch on, no matter what your income is, right? It doesn't matter? You don't have to be wealthy to have an estate plan.
Well, people think about estate planning dealing with wealth, but just think about Kendall. The biggest need there is to have a guardian who's going to raise their child if something happens to her. So there's issues beyond wealth. It's the guardian provisions.
Right.
That peace of mind we talked about is people that die that don't have an estate plan in place. Think of all the problems you hear about, the fighting, the bickering.
The infighting. That's what you don't want to leave your children with, something like that. And you know what, big thanks to you on all of your veterans, your free Veterans Day too, and everything on your
we do that Wills for Vets. We open up all of our Valley locations. We do a free last will and testament for anybody that's a veteran.
That's neat. Well, thank you so much for being with us. We really appreciate it. And hopefully I'll get in there and get a plan. Dana Law Firm has 11 locations statewide. Give them a call at 1-800-753-DANA or visit their website at www.danafirm.com for more information.
I love it. He likes to say that